Hey guys, I'm Denylight. This is Serum Rawstyle Soundset we made with my friends. I pre-made short demo with some layers, and later I will show some individual presets and screeches. You can get really powerful RAWPHORIC hardcore leads with this sound set. Okay, first of all I will show this demo, but then I will show you some individual presets. Okay, let's go. Whoops. Okay, this last one was a little bit loud, I think, but let's take this MIDI. Let's start clean. I just used EQ to make some low end cut. I will take this MIDI to show some of the presets individually. I will not show all, of course. There is 128 of them, it's quite a lot. Okay, let's jump some presets. Okay, I enable rear delay, then it sounds little bit better. Individually, of course, they don't sound so awesome. If you layer, you can get really epic sounds. Okay, there is some presets. Of course, I will make some guides how to layer them in future. Check. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel and be updated. Okay, let's see some of the screeches. Okay, here you go. This focusing more on the leads. There is like 100 leads. Okay, I hope you have fun with it.